Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. Today I brought a friend with me, Barry Ingolio. He is the Cajun Keto Chef. Check him out on YouTube. We just started doing his channel a couple of weeks ago. Tons of, there will be tons. There's a lot of great Cajun recipes. We just did a gumbo. We did a shrimp etouffee, how to make a roux. A lot of great insight for you guys who want to eat keto and Cajun dishes at the same time. Barry's your guy. I think he got jambalaya coming up.
Yep, that's gonna be the next one. I'm fired up about that one.
I think we're really excited about the jambalaya video. So what brought him here today is we're talking about the different things to enhance your cocktails. And one of the things is orange liqueur, triple sec, Grand Marnier, those types of things that are really essential in so many different cocktails. Margaritas, kamikazes, cosmopolitans, they all have an orange liqueur. Now you can do this a really simple way. You can take a little bit of vodka, a little bit of simple syrup, sugar-free simple syrup of course, and then add a little orange extract, bam, orange liqueur. But we're gonna step it up and make a really nice one. And I've had people who tried my orange liqueur compared to, I think we have some right here. I'll write the next shelf up.
There we go.
Yeah, right there.
To
this. Triple sec. And yes, this is the stuff that you shouldn't be drinking if you're low carb or keto, but I do have this so I can taste test when this is ready to how good this is. And so far, every single time, mine's always better. So from here, we've already gone ahead and peeled 7 oranges already. And what I'm gonna do is I showed Barry a neat little trick how to peel an orange quickly, and we'll see if you can do it quickly with a little bit of weight. So the way you do this, you do it more of a spiral. So you top it at the tip of it, and you just spiral all the way around it, and the entire orange peel should come off all in one piece. So let's see how he does.
Yeah, I haven't been successful at that yet.
You got some earlier today. That wasn't too bad.
All right.
And this
Put me on a camera to see if I can do it right, huh?
Yeah.
There we go.
Absolutely.
Try not to get it too thick either, right?
Right, yeah, exactly, perfect. You remember that. You don't want to go too deep on the skin. You got the white part of the skin that's called the pith. That can make it bitter. So just try to keep as little of that off as possible. And look at that, it just got a little tip on the end.
All right.
Awesome.
I'll nail that right there.
Yeah, so this is 8 orange skins. This is 3 cups of an Allulose simple syrup, and this is what makes it 0 carbs. The sweetener, Allulose, for me, I found that this is the best sugar substitute I found for cocktails and things like that, because it does truly do a 1-to-1 sugar ratio, sugar to allulose as far as sweetness, and it blends excellent in a 1-to-1 ratio with water to make syrups. So allulose is my go-to sweetener. There'll be a link in the description below. Go ahead and get yourself some allulose on Amazon. By clicking that link, it does help me out. It is an affiliate link, so I really do appreciate if you do that, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna take our orange peels. We're just gonna drop it in our jar. Go ahead and drop those in, Barry.
All right.
I'm enjoying my Cuba Libre. Fancy name for rum and coke with a splash of lime.
All right.
All right, so we got all that done. So we'll take this and move this aside. So next is the liquors that we're gonna be using. Now, if you're lucky enough to have Everclear 190 proof, which is 80% ABV, awesome. So this helps speed up the time. If you don't have that, get a high proof vodka, a 100 proof vodka, something like that. The higher the proof is, the quicker this is finished. So, but what I'm doing, I've got an 80 proof vodka, Pinnacle, I think this was like $10, and Everclear 190, and this is the game changer. Now, someone did tell me to use just the Everclear, leave the vodka out, and it should increase your volume that you end up with, because you'll be cutting this back down to a 30% ABV. So, but in general, we're gonna start off with our vodka. We're gonna do, like I said, we have 3 cups of an allulose syrup, and this is gonna be 6 cups of liquid all together. So we're gonna do 2 cups of our vodka.
If you use just the Everclear, does it take less time?
It does, theoretically. I've not tried it, so that'll be on my next thing to do, is try that out. So we're gonna go with, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was Tony.
Oh, really?
I think it was him who told me in one of my live chats. Oh, guys, every Wednesday, let me throw this in there real quick. Every Wednesday night on Instagram, I go live and we talk about different things and just a virtual happy hour kind of thing. Yeah, but I think it was him. Ooh, I'm spilling some of this.
Here, want me to?
I hate this measuring cup. You just gotta pour slow. So that's 2 cups of vodka. Then we do 1 cup of the Everclear. This stuff. Funny story is my son is in college, and I was doing something one day, and I said, I'm gonna teach you how to drink, son. Don't ever drink this if someone gives this to you. He goes, hey, take a shot of Everclear. So I gave him a shot of Everclear, 190, and boy was he in for a surprise. It was just funny. So he asked, I gave it to him, taught him a lesson. So this, normally if you're using just an 80 proof vodka or even 100 proof vodka, usually this has to sit for about 3 to 4 weeks. I find by adding the Everclear, I can cut that down to a week with this one last secret ingredient. I'm gonna grab my measuring spoons, Barry, right here. You're gonna go ahead and put in 1 tablespoon of orange extract. That's it.
That's it?
That's it. So now you're enhancing the flavor. That's it. You can do just this, and you can leave out the, and the volumes will be different. You can leave out the orange peels and just use this and this with some Allulose simple syrup, and you'll have an okay orange liqueur substitute. But by adding the orange peels, put that in an airtight jar, shake it up every couple of days. You'll come back in a week, you'll strain it through a coffee filter, throw the raw skins away, and bam, orange liqueur. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm also going to do a blue curacao video pretty soon, because this is the base of blue curacao. So blue curacao, it's just an orange liqueur with some blue food coloring. So that's all it really is. It's all pretty blue drinks.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, they're pretty drinks, but they're high in sugar because of blue curacao.
Right.
Now, there are some people that make a blue curacao syrup that says only 2 grams of carbs per serving, and that serving's a half a teaspoon. Yeah, that doesn't work. So guys, wrapping this up. So again, we're gonna put this aside for 1 week. Like I said, strain it all out, good to go. Now you have really great margaritas. You have really great cosmopolitans, kamikazes, all kinds of really, your cocktail repertoire is gonna open up immensely by having orange liqueur. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. And make sure you'll check out Barry on the Cajun Keto Chef. Yeah, I see. The Cajun Keto Chef.
That's right, bitch.
That's it. That's it. So yeah, check out those videos, and if guys, if you subscribe to his channel, go ahead and leave comments. He does read all his comments, and he does take those seriously. And so if there's anything y'all would like to see on the Cajun dish, just put that in his comments when you get there. So that's it, guys. See y'all later. Y'all have a great day, because once this is done, I'm finished this one, we'll be having a great day too. Cheers. See y'all later. Bye.